So today I'm going to be taking a few minutes to teach you how to fix your NTFS file system when you shut down Windows improperly or it's sleeping and you need to access that partition from Linux on the same computer. So the first step you take is to bring up your command prompt and to find out which partition you use, because it's basically a dev SDA and a number. So basically, find that out, you do gparted and it will take a few minutes to think about it. So I already know which one is my Windows partition. It's dev SDA 4. Well, I'm going to show you how to figure that out in a second. Bring up another one, and basically what you do is you do sudo ntfsfix dev SDA and that -4. So it'll say all that, but you know, it'll fix it. And basically you should be able to access it. I think I broke it, but I'm gonna pause the video right here. So this is my partition table for my whole hard drive, and FE, and that's basically my whole Microsoft Windows partition, because it's like 452 gigs. And this is Linux over here. Anyway, it's basically where most of your files are stored for Windows. Try to open it, and it's not opening. Anyway, you can do that and mount dev SDA 4 media Hinata. Right now I'm brute forcing it. Which means I gotta do it again. Sometimes you gotta run it twice. There we go. Just run it till it works. And you see Windows and stuff. Yep. I'm gonna try something. It may not work. Alrighty then. Basically wipe out your temp folder if you wanted to. Let's see. I mean, yeah. That's pretty much all I got for right now. I hope this was informative to y'all, and see you next time.